Hi, hello, welcome to Manama India A to Z channel. Today recipe is carrot recipe. Carrot vilukku verity. Ingredients for needed 250 gram carrot, 1 onion, green chili, 2 annuals. Chop with small sizes. Curry leaves also needed. Take a bowl, add 250 ml water plus chopped carrots. Flame on, half cooked, add salt. Then cook it well with the full flame, 100 degrees Celsius. Wait for cooking. When it is cooked, we change a bowl using a filter. Then put a pan to a stove, 2 spoons sunflower or cooking oil, then add 1 tablespoon mustard. Then add chopped onion, chopped green chili. Then add curry leaves, roast well. Light color changing, add the cooked carrots. Roast it with 10 minutes. 10 minutes roasted, then add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Then mix it well. Low flame. Low flame. Close the pan. Then wait for 5 minutes. Low flame. Then open the pan. Correct the salt. Then mix it well. Then close the pan. Flame off. 15 minutes later, to change a serving bowl. Very tasty and delicious carrot recipe is ready. Thank you for watching.